So what are the challenges? Cognitive radio MAC protocols has a lot of challenges. Detecting availability of best possible channels. So since in the nearby bands there might be many channels free. Okay, suppose 10 channels are free. So which channel you should select when, that you should determine very clearly, okay, by checking some of its information. Exposed terminal problem is there. What is exposed terminal problem? Hidden terminal and exposed terminal problem is very common in most of the networks, wireless networks. So you should study these problems. Arrival of primary user during ongoing data transmission. This is the most important thing, and it is a very good area of research. Means there is a lot of scope left in it. Whenever we transmit data on a particular channel of different band, in case of FM, we know at this particular time the transmission will resume. But in case of other bands, we are not sure when any channel will be used by its primary user. So that is the situation we should always avoid. Means primary user transmission should not be affected by the transmission of your particular data. Okay. So temporary disconnection from vehicles which are tuned to DSRC channels. So if you are starting using other bands for data transmission, then there will be a temporary disconnection from the vehicles which are tuned to DSRC channels. Okay. And the absence of a fully functional cross-layer design. Cross-layer design is always a problem in most of the ad hoc networks. So don't worry about it. I will tell you a bit in detail about this problem. But for developing a cross-layer design, you should work on more than one layer at once on routing and MAC. So I won't suggest you to do that if you are doing your PhD. If you are a faculty and you are conducting and you are assigning some work to your students, then you can use that. Okay. But for completion of your PhD, I won't suggest that. Cross-layer design means you can assign different work to different students, like MAC layer to one student and routing layer to another student, and there should be a connection between those two protocols. Okay, that you will have to think of.